guys another video I know you're going to love. Last time I had a video of... Oh no, I put them all back in there. Last time I had one of these videos. Ooh, this was a Klein tool. I got dust on it. This time I have another VISEGRIP video. Why? Well, this is a Peterson DeWitt VISEGRIP. See? It's a 10R, but it has a little thing on the front. I think it's for piercing noses. Not really. Maybe ears? Not quite. I don't know what the hell it's for. It looks like some kind of button punch or something. I don't know. I bought it. I thought it was cool. Added it to my stupid collection. Yeah, I don't know if it's homemade, factory. It doesn't. If it was factory made, I'm assuming it wouldn't be all dark and delicious like that. It wouldn't have fresh welds. It would look like the other one where it was patinaed over made. But it's a very old VISEGRIP 10R. I know it's before Irwin bought them out. See the little Peterson DeWitt logo. It's got the made in USA. Why do I buy these? Because my goal is to collect every version of VISEGRIP except for that $900 pair of VISEGRIPs that I can't afford. And I will buy those if I win like the $500 million New York State lottery. I'll send everybody a VISEGRIP. But until then, I'll stick to like $10 shit boxes. So one day, when someone will call me and be like, "Do you have a VISEGRIP just like this?" And I'll be like, "Yes, I do." They'll be like, "Can I borrow?" I'll be like, "No, you can't, because I don't lend out tools." First rule of life: don't lend tools out. You'll never get them back. If you do get them back, you'll never get them back in the same shape you got them, because nobody abuses tools like you do. Everyone else abuses tools in a whole new realm and goes, "Oh, I just borrowed it and it just broke." It just broke because you fucking abused the damn thing. That's why tools break, because you abused them. So, no, you can't borrow my VISEGRIPs. I'll give you the shitty ones. Even then, I won't even lend the shitty ones out, because why should I? Because most people can afford a shitty pair of VISEGRIPs. And I don't know, certain people you just do not lend tools out because you never ever get them back in the same way. So anyway, that said, if you want to look at it, see these are like brand new welds. They look new, that somebody modified it. Why would you butcher these sweet things? Oh, they're so poor. The poor VISEGRIPs. That's a VISEGRIP. They're so poor. Somebody butchered it. I wonder what it was for, though. Anybody got a clue? See? I'll move it slowly. You can see the bottom part here. I mean, that's the only thing I can think of. Was a lot of people use those for like they press buttons, and I'm guessing it would line up still the same. Put the little they put them on tarps, those round things they push in there, and I don't know, maybe I'm just fishing, but yeah, pick one up. Works. It works. It does a clamp. That was it. Anyway, that's it. Pretty boring video. Pair of VISEGRIPs. Hope you liked the video. It's a awesome gift from the eBay people. Thanks for watching.